Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. We finna get straight into it today, no intro. So today I'm coming to y'all with silly hair. I did not have the hair details this time, but this was just their straight 24-inch wig, and I love silly hair. Like, their hair definitely lasts me. So this is a chit chat super detailed video along with trying this new glue with me, the Bougie Supply glue. Stay tuned for part 2 because I didn't want this video to be too long. Y'all enjoy.
So uninvited, just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special.
Okay y'all, so for today's video, as y'all can see by the title, I'm going to be giving a review on the Bougie Supply brand. Okay, period. Check my girl out. So yeah, if y'all want to see how I installed this beautiful look, like, oh, this came out so cute. And like, y'all, I was even putting it behind my ear. Like, girl, this is cute. This is giving. This is big. Yes, this is definitely giving. So yeah, if y'all want to see how I installed this, babes, go ahead and keep watching. But yeah, y'all, so thank y'all for even clicking on my video, and stay tuned for the tutorial / little review. Okay y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all her products and like how it was packaged and all that good stuff. So it comes in like this little pink shiny box, super cute, love the colors. And then it comes with like a bunch of cute stuff. Now I'm gonna just show y'all what was in the box. So she puts like this little flyer. I think it's so cute. It says, "Thank you for shopping Bougie, from the lace to EXO lifestyle." And then also too, on the back, she gives us a $10 off discount code. So if y'all want that code, I need to go shop, period. And then she also gives us a melt bin, which I think is so convenient. I will say though, it's a little like, it's not firm, as in like, in order for you to get it tight, you might have to put it like right there. But I don't know, but still very thankful for the melt bin because the girls definitely need this. And then it comes like a little bougie little girl. And then like y'all seen, it came like the pink stuff in it. It's just super cute. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all, like the box, it actually kind of smelled like strawberries. All of her products are strawberry scented. Love that. Like, even if you don't get this box like sample or whatever, her regular glue smells like strawberries. And y'all, it smells so good. But y'all gotta watch the video in order to even see my reaction and all that, okay? So also, let me say that, so I got her box deal. It's probably like Bougie Supply deal, something like that, which it comes with all this, and that was for $55, not including shipping, I don't think. Of course not, you know. And then, so now let's get into the product. So this is her glue, like y'all just seen. Yes, I love the size. Like, y'all, out of all glues I've ordered, I don't want to throw no shade. Where's she at? I don't want to throw no shade or nothing, because we all love her products, obviously. But y'all, $25 versus $55 plus all this other stuff. I don't know, but you know, we all love the girl though. We all love her, okay? Period. But this is a steal, baby. Like, I don't even know what millimeters, whatever this is, but this is definitely a steal, especially if you're a hairstylist. So yeah, that's a good one. And then it comes with her Bougie Slay Spray. This is something different that I haven't seen like nobody else sell. So yeah, and y'all gotta watch the video in order to see how to use it and my reaction, all that good stuff. So yeah, this is what comes with everything. And yeah, I will say her products smell really good. I like the colors, I like the way it's put together. And then also, yeah, I did want to mention that she is a local, like a local business, like a hairstylist in Brooklyn, New York, I think. Don't at me, but I think it's in New York. And yeah, I just remember her saying that her products is gonna take over 2022. Here is a YouTube hair review for you if nobody else has gave you one yet. Okay, here it is right now. Here your first one, boo. Okay, period. I am telling the girls to shout too, but you gotta watch the video. Okay, y'all, let's get into the video. See y'all. Okay, so I did go ahead and speed up my ball cap method just to make sure this video wasn't too long. I do have a detailed ball cap method in my latest videos that I dropped for y'all. Stay tuned, keep watching. And also to y'all, this was my first time reinstalling a wig on myself, so I did good, but I just wanted to say that too. I just want to put that out there. Okay, see y'all. What I was telling y'all that was key was putting the same makeup on your wig on the inside and on the top. So now you just want to align the front with your hairline, just so when you apply it, you already know the motion you got going on. Right now I'm just cleaning my rat tail comb with alcohol just because I was just because it got like oils and stuff on it, and I don't want like no oils or nothing transferring over to the lace or to the hair, baby. Okay, y'all, it smells so good. It smells like a strawberry Starburst. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So what I like to do is I like to outline where I'm going to be placing it based on where I'm putting the frontal. Yeah, so basically what I'm saying is I'm applying the frontal right here like so. So I'm just gonna trace out where that is. Okay. Y'all, I'm excited. Like, it's like getting a new pair of shoes, like, you know, clothes, all that. And then really, I really don't apply this much, but I either squeezed it too much or the bottle just comes out a lot. So, but basically what I'm doing, you just want to make sure that you do this because you don't want it to be clumpy at all. And I'm pretty sure y'all done got the gist now. When we say use thin layers, oh, we mean it, because it definitely helps. And then when you apply the lace over there, you know where to go. So y'all, I just came to the realization that the reason why my videos be so long is because I just be talking. Do y'all like that? Do y'all like that? I just noticed her glue is real sticky, real tacky. It's giving me EricaJ vibes. Okay, like I could probably do something with this with one layer. Okay, girl. So yeah, I don't know, cause I might speed through this part because it's pretty. I mean, I might come back because it's pretty self-explanatory what I'm doing. So now that y'all seen me do that side, I'm gonna be back. Oh, look how you can't even see how I put the glue because it's already clear. Period. I'm already loving the glue. It smells so good. I can tell that it's super sticky. Like, come through, Bougie Supply. Come through. Okay. I will say though, so okay, so before I continue, so now what I'm about to do is I'm just about to go in and start my layers. This one is kind of already my first layer, but it just depends on how I'm feeling. And now with doing it this way, now you know. So y'all see that? That's what I was about to say. You got to be careful because her like bottle tip is not very precise, as in it doesn't squeeze out very little. I promise y'all, and I'm pretty sure y'all didn't peep, I didn't try to squeeze it out little, but every time I did, it came out in a glump. So I would say that's the only thing so far that your girl feeling a little on. But yeah. I was saying, so with you outlining, and I also do this too for when I don't when I do cut the lace on like a first installation. So you could do that, like you could press down hard and then work your way like that. But yeah, so now you have an outline of how far to go and where to exactly put your layers at. So I mean, but since her glue dries so fast, it might be a good thing that a lot comes out. But we gonna see if we get that melt though. Cause also too, I've noticed with glue, like, I mean, it also too depends on how you apply your layers. But, oh, y'all see that? I don't like the bottle. But, oh, it's gonna do, cause I'm loving it so far. And the reviews, so, ooh, y'all saw that? Y'all saw how stuck that got? Mind y'all, I didn't like over melt my cap. That's because I noticed you really don't be seeing the cap. Like, I don't know why people be taking that extra step. Maybe it's just me. Like, I honestly feel like every single time I don't be seeing the cap. Like, I really don't. And it's probably because I do it like this. Like, I'm purposely trying to lay the cap down while I'm doing my layers versus doing it prior before and blow drying it like that. I don't know, that just, I don't know, seems so extra to me. I mean, I'm extra, but I ain't that extra now. Definitely a difference from the EricaJ bottle. Like, of course the bottle is little, but that bottle got a nice firm tip to it. Honestly, maybe applying thick layers of her glue. Okay, when I say thick layers, I mean like this, because you can really go thinner than that. But maybe, and I don't mean like lengthwise. I'm talking like thickness wise. But yeah, maybe because her glue just dries so fast, maybe you could do layers this thick. But we gonna see what the melt gives. Okay, y'all, this is the last layer. And I'm not gonna be afraid to go in with the layers because I don't want this layer to dry too fast. Okay. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go and put the top back on. Wipe it a little bit because a lot of, see? Like, there's really, like, I didn't do that on purpose. What a waste of glue like that. Put the cap on. Then now I'm gonna clean my hands with alcohol really quickly. Don't want to take too long because the glue is ready. It's ready, but you make sure you want to clean your hands, your comb, whatever you're gonna be using to lay your lace down, because you don't want no oils to mix. You don't want nothing to interfere. Y'all, I'm loving the clearness of it. So now, just gonna want to simply take it and place it. Now let's see how her glue works with just using your fingers. Y'all, it's not. Ooh, where'd it go? Period. Okay. And it's like when you a hairstylist and you just work with like different products, you just can tell a difference in so much. Okay. because I love applying the lace with my finger. But for it, I'm gonna just tell you now, for the with both, I mean, I don't know, it depends. But I'd rather apply the lace with my finger. But you know what though? Well, I need to cut that extra lace anyways. Honestly. Okay. And this is what I mean, like, when you use pre-cut lace, girl, you gotta be on it. Like, oh, yes. Y'all see that grip? Nah, but I had to do that because it was trying to knuckle and buckle. Y'all, this glue fire already, and it's not even done. Let me do the other side. So it's starting to buckle just a tad bit, but you know what though, it's okay. Y'all, 10 out of 10 except for the bottle. 10 out of 10. This glue is fire. It's the superior hold for me. I don't even need to like spray or nothing. This best $50, $55 I ever used. Where's my razor at? But yeah, I need to cut this extra lace anyways. Hold up, make sure. Y'all, this is another reason why I prefer non-cut wigs, because it's like once you put the glue down, you just need to cut where it's not laid. Y'all, edges is gonna be right here. But the only reason why I'm having complications right here is because it's harder to get a precise, like, everything when the baby hairs was already cut, and then until y'all. And y'all, I never done this on myself before. It's clear. But that's why, like, people ask me all the time, do I reinstall like pre-cut wigs, like if I didn't install them and stuff. And I always say yes if they're still in good condition. So like my wig not in good condition. Like my wig got holes in it, got slits in it. But yeah, you just gotta do them right. I'm gonna try to see if I could cut a little bit more. Okay, I'm telling y'all, the real magician. I'm about to change my name to That Rare Magician. It's the fact that I really just so yeah, I probably would this install probably better been 10 times better if I didn't already install the hair before. So now I'm about to do is I'm about to add some makeup. Usually what I do is I don't add, like I don't go back in, I just use what was already on the brush. Y'all see the eyebrows? That's how stuck down this is. And usually you need to go ahead and hurry, but no, I don't need to do that. I don't need to do that. So now I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna just go in mostly where I feel like the color is really light, or you know, just not blending. And y'all, I usually do not do this, but I'm only doing this because this glue is sticking down so much, and then she wants us to use the spray after this, girl. Okay, now I'm about to just put my hair in a ponytail and get my elastic band ready. So I'm gonna just literally spray, and then what she does is she sprays in sections. So let's just start. I'm about to make sure my fingers are clean again. Just gonna go in. This is literally what she do. She literally just goes like that. So it's very watery. It is scented. Gotta be careful with it though. Okay. I like how it's not sticky. I was afraid it was gonna be sticky. I'm just trying to get these hairs up out the way. Yeah, I'm trying to decide. Should I wait till, should I go ahead and blow dry it? I'm gonna just put the band on since it feels like quote unquote water. Okay. And y'all, it's still sticking. It don't feel like it like lifted at all. And see, I love this because baby, you gonna get that melt if you tie it tight. Y'all, I'm excited. I really feel like this install about to be fire. It's to point out. So this is the product. So it looks like a spritz almost, but like a non-sticky spritz. It's coming off though. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it's coming off. I mean, it's flaking because I'm making it flake, but yeah, I just wanted to show that so we could like see like what the product is, because I ain't gonna lie, I thought Shawty just put I think scalp protectant, I thought it was, in the bottle and just start selling it, because that's what the hair diagram, like the boho lady, she sometimes sprays the scalp protectant on after applying the glue. So I thought that's what she was doing. But nah, this some different stuff. And Shawty don't got the ingredients on here, so y'all can't get her recipe.
You show up, so all